In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips for shooting great landscape photography. As I'm walking out to this location, it's about 4 in the afternoon. And the reason why I came out so early is tip number 1. Scout your location. I'm coming out to see where I might want to take some photos and find a beautiful scene, hopefully. Right now, if you kind of see behind me, let's see. We'll see. Got some ice stacks around me. Got some ice on the lake. Some of it's broken up. There might be some pretty cool reflections, but that's the whole reason. Tip number 1. Scout your location. See what you can find. I've been out here a few times before, but I'm gonna see if I can find a new location to try out. See, check out this ice stacks right here. So these have been out here for quite a while, and they're starting to get, well, they were covered with snow, and then they're kind of melting now. It's been cold enough that it's frozen the lake over. I think for tip 1, I'm gonna try a different route of scouting out the location. I brought my drone. You can see right there. I'm gonna use my drone to help me scout out a spot and I've gone to in the past and see what I find. Let's get my drone going. Flat spot, take off from.
As I fly my drone over Utah Lake, I'm reminded of the familiar places I've photographed here before. But today, I'm searching for something new, something exciting, something that'll grab my attention. Here I am keeping low, trying to locate spots, but right now I'm just passing some of the familiar spots I've taken photographs before. Here I am flying, just kind of looking for something new. As I continue to explore the area, I see potential and I take notes mentally as I fly around. Here's this familiar spot I've taken photos on before. I think I see something in the distance that might be interesting. Plus, I don't have to walk all the way out there just to see, but let's fly a little closer. What's that in the distance? It kind of looks like I can see some ice stacks over there. I think that's the spot I'm going to try. We'll see how long it takes for me to walk out there.
Well, I'm gonna head over to that spot I kind of saw. It looks like it's a little far for me. We'll see how long it takes me to get there. I'm crawling all over these rocks, but looked like a cool vantage point. We'll see if I see something else along the way. All right, Tip number 2, shoot at the right time of day. It's waiting for the right light, waiting for the right time to take your photo. So the sun is just about to go down, and I'm gonna try and get some shots. Step number 3, figure out your perspective. Change it up, get low, get high. Find an angle that you really like. Change it, take a couple shots. Tip number 4, pay attention to your foreground. Find stuff in the foreground that'll bring interest to your photo. Over here I found this rock in the midst of all of this ice here, and you can kind of see it created a unique perspective. Tip number 4, pay attention to leading lines. Pay attention to your leading lines. Let the lines lead you through the photo. Find elements throughout the scene that will help lead the viewer through the photo. Tip number 5, change up your perspective. Similar to your composition, if you change up your perspective or your composition, zoom in a little bit, get closer, get further away. Just play with the composition. Bring in all the elements of timing, perspective, leading lines, foreground elements that will help you get the best photo you can. I hope you enjoyed this episode of 5 tips and tricks to make awesome landscape photography.